my channel. I'm Kazusa and this is Nani. Hi Nani, say hi. Hi to everyone. Hi. Today I'm gonna do our house tour. We have so many plants. It's almost like 100 plants. And today I'm going to introduce you some of our plants and I'll show you this living room and dining room, and at the end of the movie I'm going to show you how to make vegan sashimi. Let me tell you what sashimi. Avocado sashimi. It's really good. Okay, let's get started. This is our little fireplace. We got the bank drawer, a bottle, and the green storage at the flea market. We put all the shoes in the closet because I don't know why the baby loves biting shoes. The sofa and lamps are from Vestel. We are planning to add more pictures on the wall, but we haven't done much lately. Also, that concrete table, my husband made one. Oh, by the way, that big picture is our TV. Hi, Nani-san. What are you looking for? Oh, what? Oh, you found the milk. Yum, yum. おいしいね. This is one of her favorite. Zucchini. Living room, so we made this our playroom here. Hi. Yeah, is it good? What's that? Is it salt? Oh, that's pepper. Wow. Oh, you have a mushroom too. See, it's mushroom there. Oh, wow, you got the fox. Okay, can I see? Kitsune. Fox is kitsune in Japanese. Hi, kitsune さんですよ. Oh, you're cooking, huh? Can you sprinkle some pepper on this? Yeah? Can you help me? Put some pepper on this? She's standing! Yay! Nani! Hi! Say hi! She's 11 months old and just start kind of walking. Not really walking, but she's trying to. Oh! Someone's there. Okay, let me show you the dining room. Hi! What? Hi! You know what? Someone was there. Hey! Oh, that was Lani! Hi, Lani! Lani! Let's sing. This is our little office. This is my sweetest husband. Hi, Vic. This is our dining room. Since Lani started crawling, we tried to put all the small plants on the shelves. We have some of the plants next to the windows. Some of them are hanging. And that's our most loved table. We got that from CB2. And that big round lamp, that one, is from Westtown. We have so many plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, how can I do? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17 plants on the shelf. I recounted. That was 16. Sorry. And we have more plants. other ones over there. Now it's time. I will show you how to cut avocado and how to make avocado sashimi. Let's get started. Okay. What you need is super simple. Avocado, soy sauce, and wasabi. Okay. Yeah, yummy. Avocado. See? Ah. Hey, avocado 食べよう。はい、食べて。あ、アボカドは、はい、バナナさん。バナナさんは、はい。This is spinach and apple and what I put and cabbage. She likes it. She just throw everything on the floor, so I decided to put everything in this squash, and that works really well. I love that. And this monkey package. Hey, you wanna try this monkey squash? Yes. Yum yum yum. 美味しいね。Begin by washing the avocado. Cut and remove the avocado stem. Cut lengthwise around the avocado. Twist the two halves to separate them. Use a knife to remove the pit. Pit is the avocado seed. Peel the skin off. This is perfectly ripe avocado, so it's a little harder to peel the skin. Slicing the avocado. Presentation is important, so plating nicely. If you don't eat the avocado right away, put lemon juice in avocado to prevent the avocado from turning brown. Okay, looks great. Let's put some soy sauce.
Hey, Nani Kai. Hi, Kazusa.
Hiya! Put the wasabi. This is avocado sashimi. Looks pretty good. Let me try one. Especially when I was pregnant, I couldn't eat raw fish, right? And I'm Japanese. I love raw fish. I love sushi. I really missed sushi. Then I decided to cook this again. Cook avocado. I know that sounds crazy, but think about when you eat like salmon avocado roll. It's really pretty good, right? This is perfect. Wow.
After the lunch, Victor gave me this 10 minutes break and I came to our backyard and I'm just taking a rest. That means a lot to me. Nani? She's calling me. I'm gonna go back.
Hey. Hi. Hi. It's the best dad. Oi, oi, oi. Ah. Ah. Ooh. This is her favorite. Like baby. Manga. Sorry, it's such a mess, but this is my real life. And if you like the movie, please leave a comment. Bye.